As they say, if you can talk, you can sing. And if you can walk, you can dance. So who knows and who wants to sing this song? Anyone? Again, what's the title of this song and who wants to sing this song? What's more, if you sing the song, you'll win our amazing and exciting prizes. It's such a great partner. And so at this point, we'll sing the song. What's the title of this song?
Close to you.
That's right. So she'll sing this song. Alright. And so with that, how about a round of applause for her? Palakpakan po natin siya. Would like to feel some earthquake because of the high intensity of your response. For the last time, with clapping